Shibasish's lesson from Lord Shiva. Once upon a time in a serene village, there lived a young boy named Shibasish. Shibasish was known for his unwavering devotion to Lord Shiva. Every day he would visit the local Shiva temple, offering flowers and lighting incense as a symbol of his deep reverence. One sunny morning, as Shibasish was leaving the temple, he noticed a poor beggar sitting at the temple's entrance. The beggar appeared to be hungry, frail, and in need of help. Without a second thought, Shibasish rushed to the beggar and offered him the food he had brought for himself. The beggar's eyes filled with gratitude as he accepted the kind gesture. Days turned into weeks, and Shibasish continued to help the beggar regularly, sharing his food and offering him a comforting smile. The villagers admired Shibasish's selflessness, and word of his good deeds spread throughout the village. One night, Lord Shiva appeared in Shibasish's dream. The boy was awestruck by the divine presence. Lord Shiva spoke, "Shibasish, I am pleased with your devotion and your compassionate heart. You have shown kindness and generosity to the needy, which is dear to me. As a token of my appreciation, I shall grant you one wish. What would you like?" Shibasish, with humility in his eyes, replied, "My lord, I ask for nothing for myself. Instead, I wish that you bless all those in need with the strength to overcome their hardships. Let compassion and love fill their hearts, and may they never go to bed hungry." Lord Shiva smiled, his third eye glowing with approval. "Your selfless wish is granted, Shibasish. From this day forward, your village will be blessed with abundance, and the people will never go hungry. Your compassionate heart has earned you my eternal favor." When Shibasish woke up, he couldn't believe the transformation that had taken place in his village. Crops flourished, and the people never had to worry about food or shelter again. Shibasish's selflessness and devotion to Lord Shiva had touched the divine, and it had resulted in the betterment of his entire community. From that day on, Shibasish continued to serve Lord Shiva and his fellow villagers with a heart full of love and compassion, proving that kindness and selflessness were the true keys to receiving divine blessings.